Yo, what's up everyone? This is episode 2 of Trading from Zero, which will be just about basic trading, no like macro. For macro you gotta watch the other series. And today will be a very simple video. It will be just how to use TradingView. So if you've never used TradingView, you can watch this. If you did, just skip this episode. But let's get straight to it. So as you can see, I already have my setup like this, but you probably have a random stuff. You can just delete it right here, this trash button. We can do it with GBPCat, for example. So I don't have GBPCat here. So after that, we can come here. On top left, you have search, and you can search up GBP cat, for example, right? I would say only use either Oanda or FXCM, or maybe forex. These are really the ones I use, but you can try and find what's the closest to your broker. If you use broker IC Market, obviously use IC Market, or if you use Vantage, use Vantage. But for prop firms, I usually use like FXCM. You just click on it and it opens up. So you won't have these two lines. That's just my indicators right here, EMAs. I check if I use forex.com. Yes, one. Yeah, pretty much. All right. I'll just go back to GBPCat. I think I was on Oanda. No. If you want to switch, you can just go again here. You don't even need to type because it will already be here. And you can just click that. Okay, I use forex. And if you want to add it to your tab right here, you can just go over here and then these three dots and add to watch list and select your watch list. I have main, and then you can just click it, hold on it, and move it all the way up to your section of GBP. If you don't have a section of GBP, just click this plus button. Wait, sorry, not like that. I think you have to no. Wait, how did I add symbol, remove section? Am I stupid? Yes, right here. So just click on your here, whatever your name was, probably like default, something like that. I don't know, I renamed it. Click it, and then you have add section, and it will just add section right here. And if you double click it, you can change the name to whatever. So I won't do that because I already have GBP right here. And you don't need to create it as I have, like each currency, but you can if you string shade all currencies. So now that you're on the chart, what you can do is go right click and go to settings, and you have all the settings right here. So for example, if you want to change the colors of the candles, you can do it right here. Also time zone, you can do it right here. I've never played with, oh yeah, I think I've never even played with these settings. I've never really played with these settings, but you can copy mine. I don't think I've even played with these settings. Maybe I changed the text, maybe that's probably. Trading, I don't trade on TradingView, so never change this, and also never change this, and also never change this. Okay, so pretty much that was my settings. You can copy them if you want. Now let's go over the stuff you have on your left side. Well, first let's go with the time frames. So yours might be different, but if you click this arrow down, it will open all the time frames you have. For some you might need premium, for some you don't. And if you just want the mains that you will be using, just click add to favorite. So like right here, and they will show up right here. So those are the time frames. Here you select the candles you want, you know, like different. Just keep it on candles, to be honest. If you don't trade some other stuff. Then indicators, you can just search up whatever indicator you want and it will pop up right here. I have just EMAs and this one, standard deviation points. Okay, so now let's get to this. First we have lines, which I won't go over everything. You can just try them out yourself, but I mainly use the horizontal line, nothing really else from this section. Also, if you want to create this thing right here, just do the same thing, like go open this and click on add to favorite and you will have it like this. This I can get away. Okay, here is FIB retracement, which you can use, which is highly used. These are my settings. If you don't know how to use it, pretty much what it shows is like a discount or like better price to enter at. So for example, what you want to do with it is from high to low. So example here. So this is the best prices to enter a short from this high to this low if you want to short. If you want to long, the other way. So from low to high. And this is the best prices to enter on. I can show you my settings right here. I won't just screenshot this or whatever, or just stop the video and copy them. I can make a different video about a FIB, how to use it, blah blah blah. And yeah, so I won't go over this too much, over the FIB. I will make another video about it. Then you have chart patterns. I usually just use head and shoulders, which is really simple. It's not here, so I'm not gonna try and look for it in the charts because I don't see it anywhere. But pretty much it just shows support. Yeah, head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is support. I will go over this type of strategies in different video because this video will be just too long. But yeah, this is probably the only pattern I use. I don't use any others. Then long position, short position, really simple. Just drag it however you want. Nothing else. I used to use a fixed range volume profile. I don't anymore. Then drawings, brush, just regular brush, highlighter, just basic stuff, arrow. Rectangle, you will probably be using this. Path, very simple. Just double click, double right click. You want to go left click, sorry, left click, and then you can double click right double click. Yeah, sorry. What else? Eclipse, that's just this shit right here, like a circle. This circle, pretty much, and other stuff. Then you have text, note, table, blah blah blah, image, post, idea, and then you have emojis. Measure, I kinda use sometimes to know how much percent is up, or points or pips. Zoom, I never used zoom, to be honest. I don't even know how to use that shit. Yeah, pretty much. Magnet, what this does, this can be weak, strong magnet. I never even know that was weak and strong. But for example, if you see how it's locking on, like either the weak, or if I go down to the body, weak body, that's the magnet. So it will automatically does that shit. I turn this off usually because you can just hold CTRL, I don't know how to say it in English, control, and they will enable the magnet for you. Keep drawings, lock all drawings, hide all drawings, simple. Also, you can just right click and remove all drawings or remove all indicators right here. Also, you have chart templates, so like colors and stuff. And you can also add alert on here. So if you do crossing up, crossing down, price, EMA or standard or whatever indicator you have, you'll create it, and you can also just push it up or down. And I feel like that's really everything. Also, you have replay, which is for backtesting, but don't just backtest manually, because who does that? You take a screenshot here, full screen here, settings, quick search, publish trade. You have all your indicators here. Chat, I don't even never use the chat here. And I think that's it really. You can, this is how you zoom out kinda, or like show the squeeze it together. And this is also how you squeeze it together. Just hold and go up or down. And here hold and go right or left. And also you can use a scroll wheel for that. I usually just use scroll wheel just to zoom in. And yeah, that's pretty much it, in my opinion. Yeah, you can compare symbols, like add it on top, but I've never usually do that. And yeah, that was just quick little breakdown of how to use TradingView. It's really not that hard. Maybe for the first time it will be, but after a couple minutes you will get used to it. So stay tuned for the episode 2, and I'll see you next time.